New recruits preparing for battle on the front line. 64 Ukrainian volunteers arrived here in Toledo, just outside Madrid, to undergo training with the Spanish armed forces. Civilians from all walks of life have signed up, some as young as 20, some in their 40s. The Ukrainian commander in charge, who didn't want to be named for security reasons, says morale is high.
В Іспанії особовий склад себе почуває добре, є можливість добре навчатися, не заважають інші фактори, такі, які є в Україні. Ракети, які не дають добре навчатися особовому складу, не дають добре вивчити свої справи для захисту своєї держави.
The soldiers are learning first aid, combat strategies, shooting and target practice, demining, handling explosives, and artillery training. They have also been learning Spanish and are appreciative of the opportunity they have received in Toledo, which has been renovated to house and train 400 soldiers every 2 months. Toledo isn't the only Spanish location training new Ukrainian recruits. There are currently over 120 troops in basic training across the country. As many as 2,400 soldiers could be trained per year in Spain as part of this EU mission. The EU has so far pledged $110 million to fund this initiative. Spain, meanwhile, has joined other nations in providing vital supplies to Ukraine to help during the cold winter months as Russia continues to target energy infrastructure and temperatures plunge well below freezing.
Hemos enviado generadores que pueden ser empleados para proporcionar corriente eléctrica a un hospital, a un colegio, como a los cuarteles, como a los campamentos, etcétera, etcétera. También hemos enviado equipo de frío, equipo de protección de frío, antiintemperie, para los militares ucranianos.
The EU aims to train 15,000 Ukrainian soldiers across the bloc, and with no end to the conflict in sight, this looks like it will now form part of a long-term strategy of planning and training. Ken Brown, CGTN, Toledo.